Wait, you ready?
Yeah.
This is too early in the morning for this. My name is your dad, and welcome to Sitting in a Wet Patch. In this video, I'm gonna take you through some of the process of building the new studio, and I hope you enjoy it as much as my bones enjoyed it, making it. Are you pushing? What are you pushing?
Nothing.
Don't push things. I'm trying to do serious stuff here, and you're pushing things.
I'm not pushing anything.
Okay. Make sure to smash the like button, leave some words in the little square box that YouTube gives you a space to leave some words. Tell me what you would have done differently, and I'll just ignore you. But thank you very much for watching, and let's get straight into what the hell is today about. This is George. You can find a link for the description of George. Okay, but this is George, for real. This is George. And there'll be a link for his YouTube channel in the description. Make sure to check it out. This is one of George's dogs. Sit, boy. Good dog. Don't adjust the shutter speed because then it's gonna go.
Yeah, I know. It's literally.
Because just change the ISO.
I got it.
Don't change the fucking.
It's easier to use this wheel.
Your wheel. For what? That doesn't do the ISO though.
It does the shutter speed.
Don't change the shutter speed.
Yeah, no, as long as the shutter speed's like.
Don't change the shutter speed. Leave the shutter speed at 60.
It's at 160.
No.
Good,
No, it needs to be at 60.
Well, let's go see your new shop.
I don't want it. Have to try to figure out which key is which. George, how do we do this? Close and open. It's not that one. Turn it on. That's for letters. Yes. Oh, like that. Hello? Jack's Paint and Hardware, good day? Which one does that switch on? Nothing. You know, we're gonna have to get, do you have an electrician friend?
I do, yeah.
We're gonna need him. Here, we need to run like some nice LED shit here, right? We repaint this.
Yeah.
These unscrew, we could just spray them.
There is. I'm telling you, there's a secret door there.
There's no
There
secret.
is a secret door there.
There's no
There
secret.
used to be a room in this shop.
Did you turn that on?
No, it was already on. It was literally already on when we walked in.
I was using my electricity. Look, and look, like this is ugly.
We can do it.
Yeah, we need to figure, look at this guy. That looks terrible, look over there. This is gonna be my printing area, and I'm gonna tattoo here. So most of the time, people are gonna be sitting here getting tattooed.
Yeah.
Thinking that I got here, and like some storage spaces. And then here, I wanna have, in the corner here, I wanna put that spray booth thing. And then my table maybe. And then I was thinking for recording, I'll just like drill to the roof and mount camera mounts so that I can record down on what I'm working on. And then when I want to present it, I can turn and present like that, you know what I'm saying? And everything can be behind me.
Yeah.
I don't have to put the thing and sit at the table anymore. And then I wanted to put a table down here. So if I wanted to present at a table, I can have a table down there to present stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, can I change my mind? There is something blocking it.
Should I go around quick?
Around where?
Oh, look, easy.
Maybe the next door people can move that box.
Should we just ask?
Yeah, just so we can say, so I can have some air. Sorry, I don't mean to be a pain already. Day one and I'm already annoying you. If you want beards, you come to Wendigo.
If you want beards.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, now you know.
That's the only way.
Beard stuff.
If you don't have a
Man
beard,
stuff.
you come to Wendigo and you'll have a beard.
Yeah.
That's the problem right there. So we are currently going to the Howdens. This is the shop where you get things for making home things.
Kitchens.
But it's not for kitchens, it's for shops of studio type. Thank you for coming. So I couldn't record in that place, but that's okay. We got some stuff. I'm stuck sitting really weirdly inside of this car, but I'll let you know when we get back to the shop, bro. So I've just got back to the shop and it's a big mess, but you can see things are happening in here. I will take you through and I'll show you everything, roughly how it's looking so far and what kind of work we got to do. There is so much work to do. It's not even a joke at this point, but it's looking really, really cool. So we're still in obviously a lot of process of everything, but this is the top section and we've started already doing flooring and we've started working on painting the walls and trying to sort out the roof and stuff, because trust me, the workmanship in here was not so great. We are now doing some laminated flooring on the walls, because who puts laminated flooring on the floor? That's boring. And basically this is where we're at the moment. The biggest issue that we have now, which is not really a huge issue, but we have to fit these laminate boards onto this wall, and the problem is it's not exactly the same length. So because of that, that means we have to now cut this, and we're not very good at cutting things, so it might not look good, but we have this really cool stick that we can put in the middle. Wait, let me grab it and I'll show you. So to cover up for the fact that we're going to cut like actual pirates, we have this really cool stick that we stick in the corner here. Now, for those of you who are not construction people like me, that's a very fancy stick, and this is what these people use to hide all their mistakes. So currently we're just working on that wall, and I'm going to work on that wall. I might do a bit of a time lapse of that so you can watch us work on it. We're going to get kind of halfway through before we need to do the cuts, and when we need to do the cuts, we're going to go find a saw of some kind of cutting device to cut these things so it doesn't look freaking stupid. So basically, this is what we will be doing. If you enjoy, make sure to leave a comment. If you really like our workmanship and you want to comment on how you would have done it better, do that too, because I really enjoy the engagement. Thank you for a great time. What is the current situation, George?
I'm trying to find the Stanley knife that I've lost. Well, Brett lost it.
I did not lose nothing.
And I can't find it because we need to cut the grooves off the top of the
Okay,
board.
so what you're trying to say is that since we don't have a standing knife, we're gonna have to nibble. If we just chewed, start chewing on it, George. Just chew it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, cool. George, not like that, bro.
It works, doesn't it?
So we're pretty much almost done with this, other than the cutting of the edges, which are over there, as you can clearly see. But we came across a slight issue. We had originally put coving up to cover these huge gaps that you see here, but the problem is these pieces don't actually fit in a nice straight line. Neither does this stuff actually go straight flat into the wall, which is a slight issue. So we've had to do some crazy pirate backyard dodgy cowboy stuff, but as long as the wall don't fall over, that's all I care about. So what we actually ended up doing was removing that coving, and we're gonna place these boards up against the wall like that, and then we're gonna put the coving back over the top so that it doesn't look like butt. And other than the terrible mess, I mean, this is gonna be my tattooing area, and that is obviously the coloring of the floors as well. But yeah, it doesn't look too shabby so far. I think it looks alright, to be honest. George! Okay, so it is now currently about 9:30 at night, so it's not too late, but we've got a couple little more just up in this corner here, if you can see it. There's a little spot that needs to be painted. You can see my walls are kind of in now. I have a couple of edging things that I need to do here and there. Let me step forward so you can actually see it in its totality. Do you know what I'm saying? That is the sound that it makes when people come in. The only thing that really legit sucks is actually just this bathroom area. But I think if we build a door, what do you reckon, George?
I'm just trying to get out of the shot.
If we build a door, it won't look too bad. Like you can see in the shot, everything looks cool. Look at that, George. Oh, and one more other thing. Obviously, it's not a real video situation unless you have an actual LED behind you. And if you don't do LEDs, it's not even real recording, bro. So this is where I'm gonna leave this video for right now. It is so much that is going on. It's too much to put into one video, but I can't wait to show you the next parts because it's looking super amazing. Of course, make sure to leave a like. If you've got any words, leave them in the little square box. I would also like to say a super special thank you to the patrons, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. The new patrons that we also got this week, I would also like to say thank you to them for help keeping these lights blinding my eyeballs. And those new people are Steven and Ash and Jody Rose. Thank you, my dudes, so much. Your support means so much to the channel. It is really, I cannot explain it. Also, if you want to make sure to support the channel, check out the next video. There'll probably be one on the screen in the next couple of seconds. And if you didn't like anything you saw, just f*** off. I'm about to go hammer some nails into the wall. You go watch another video.